Hello dear subscribers, that will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if message not sending on messenger app, so how you can fix it. So for fixing, first thing, just open settings. If you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you're using mobile data or cellular data, just turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if it doesn't help you, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down. Just if you see here under reset shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simply restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to update your iPhone. So just go to general, just tap on software update, and if you see here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And the latest option you can try, just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Messenger, and if you see here update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.